วัสดีค่ะ Hello everyone. Today lessons we are going to learn the useful phrases and sentences that you need to know when you are taking taxi in Thailand. Welcome back to Learn Thai with Mod with me, 𝐓𝐚𝐤𝐿. If you like to speak Thai with confidence and speak like a native speaker, you are at the right place. Before we start today's lessons, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Learn Thai with Mod. And if you are on Facebook or Instagram, don't forget to follow us, Learn Thai with Mod. We got so many requests to do videos about sentences or phrases that we use when we're talking to a taxi driver. So today I picked up some lines or sentences that I usually talk when I'm getting around, in Bangkok, when I'm taking taxi. So let's have a look. What are they? So let's learn together what do Thai people say when you want to get on a taxi. But before we start, I would like to invite all of you to join our online group course via Zoom. We offer classes online for every levels. Either you want to start from zero, like you want to start from very beginning, or if you know a little bit of words and sentences but you want to put them together in a conversations, we can help you. So don't forget to write us to this email to get a free assessment test before you enroll the course, and I would like to see you in my class. I have to take taxi in Bangkok or some big city. The first thing I used, or the first thing Thai people asked was, can you use meter or do you use meter? Because sometimes they don't want to go on a meter, they just want to say like 400 or 500. And I think you guys also face to this problem as well. So the first thing you should ask them like, oh, do you use meter? So you could say ใช้ มิเตอร์ ไหมครับ ใช้ มิเตอร์ ไหมคะ So we don't have Thai word for meter, we just use meter, and then ใช้ is to use. And sometimes if they say to you like, oh, it's only 500 baht, it's cheaper than using meter, and then you want to ask them like, oh, can you use it? Like, I prefer to pay on the meter. So you can ask ใช้ มิเตอร์ ได้ไหมครับ ใช้ มิเตอร์ ได้ไหมคะ when you don't want to pay like 500 or sometimes 1,000, you really want to pay what is exactly shown on the meter. So you can ask ใช้ มิเตอร์ ได้ไหมครับ And when you are already in the taxi, you can pay extra for to get on tollway to take you to the destination faster. And the question the taxi driver will ask you is ใช้ทางด่วนไหม ใช้ทางด่วนไหมครับ So we have learned for the previous one ใช้ is to use, right? ทางด่วน ทางด่วน this is the tollway. So because you have to pay extra by yourself, so sometimes you don't want to pay or you're willing to pay. That's why the taxi driver will ask you first if you're willing to pay extra for the tollway. So ใช้ทางด่วนไหม I am sure that you already know how to say turn left, turn right, go straight when you need to help the driver with the direction a little bit, right? But what about when you want to get off? Like tell the driver, oh, can you stop here? Many people use the word หยุด because หยุด is stop, which is understandable and okay. But if you want to sound more like a Thai or sound exactly like Thai people said, we said จอดตรงนี้ จอดตรงนี้ค่ะ จอด this word is to park, like to park a car. So basically we just say like, can you park right there? ตรงนี้ ตรงนี้ is here or this spot. So can you park here? จอดตรงนี้ค่ะ จอดตรงนี้ครับ Or if you want to give a little bit notice for the driver, like, oh, you can park a little bit in front, like, like not now, but maybe a little bit go further. So you can say จอดข้างหน้า จอดข้างหน้าค่ะ จอดข้างหน้าครับ ข้างหน้า here in this context it doesn't mean in front of, but it's like a little bit further, so you give the taxi the driver a little bit notice that, oh, in a little bit you have to park, you have to let me go, so จอด ตรงนี้ or จอดข้างหน้า Sometimes when you get off at your condo or your office and it was in the building and the driver might struggle with how to turn back, so they might ask you that can he make a U-turn or can you make a turn under the building. So the question would be กลับรถใต้ตึกได้ไหมกลับรถใต้ตึกได้ไหมกลับรถ is to make a U-turn or to turn back and ใต้ is under ตึก is the word for building กลับรถใต้ตึกได้ไหม Alright, and when you arrive safely at your destinations and you want to pay, but you don't have cash with you because nowadays people don't really have cash, right? We always use online banking. So how will you ask the driver if you can transfer money to him? So the question you could say, โอนได้ไหมโอนได้ไหมคะโอนได้ไหมครับ So โอน this is the word for transfer, which is short for โอนเงิน like transfer money, but speaking casually we just say โอนได้ไหม can I transfer? After you paid and you're about to leave, the taxi driver say to you, thank you, good luck. So how do we say that in Thai? Of course thank you ขอบคุณขอบคุณ and good luck we say โชคดีโชคดี so they will say to you ขอบคุณครับโชคดีครับขอบคุณค่ะโชคดีค่ะ thank you and good luck. Those are the useful phrases and questions that you need to know when you're getting on a taxi. I hope you like this video and find out it's useful. If you have any comments or any questions, again, please feel free to leave it here, or any idea what should we do next topic for the next video. Please share the idea and I will see you in my class. If you want to improve your Thai language skill, don't forget to write us to this email. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you again next video. สวัสดีค่ะ